Welcome to our channel Vyomology, where you can know yourself better and you can learn about yourself better. I'm Hiral, a consulting astrologer and a numerologist. So today we will be talking about people born with weak Mars in their chart. So what happens when you have a weak Mars in your chart? How to judge that you have a weak Mars in your chart? What to do when planets like Mars are giving bad results in your chart? Now, first of all, we will be talking about what is weak Mars. So, if you are not knowing astrology, it's perfectly fine. You will know what I'm talking about. If you're facing such problems in your life, then definitely you have a problematic Mars in your chart. So, today I will be disclosing about what are the bad results when Mars is not placed well in your chart. So, first, let us know what does Mars represent in your chart. Who are the people who act as Mars in your life? Mars can be your brothers, it can be your siblings, whether it is a brother or a sister. Mars represents siblings. It represents your male friends. It represents people into defense system, police, and secret agents, military, sports people, any leaders. Then it also shows the blood related things in your body. Anything that is red is Mars. In our body, red is blood. So blood is represented by Mars. So if you have problems related to Mars, you can have, you are prone to have any problem with blood. Then secondly, if you have a problem in your eyebrow, your teeth, your muscles, your cardiac region, the bone marrow, then all these things lead to bad Mars in your chart. Even the bridge of your nose, this part, it is governed by Mars. Then any sort of electrical things, it is represented by Mars. So if you're having problems with electrical things every now and then you have a problematic Mars in your chart. If you are having cuts and wounds in your body every now and then also you have a problem with Mars. Then red chilies, peppers, any sort of spicy food is represented by Mars. And what are the professions where Mars is indulged? So Mars can be seen from farmers, soldiers, fire industry, iron industry, any dentist, everything. Everybody are ruled by Mars. If you are associated with such professions, then you have a very prominent Mars in your chart. So now, being said the things, if you have a problem with relatives with respect to what I said, or body parts, or professions which I disclosed, then your Mars is definitely affected in your chart. It means you need to do certain remedies with respect to the Mars in your chart. So you need to pray Lord Mangal, and you need to do simple remedies. What I will be showing is simple remedies. You need not worry. You can do it in, it is in within your reach to do all these remedies. But yes, one thing is for sure, that you need to do these remedies gradually and for a longer period of time. At least you should give 6 months to 1 year to these remedies. If you can continue it for your lifetime, it will be good for you only. So first of all, what I will be saying is about the physical things that you need to focus on when you have a weak Mars in your chart. So meditation and anger management is a must in your case. Meditation will cool you down. I have seen maximum people with afflicted Mars. That is, if their Mars is debilitated, if it is within the axis of Rahu Ketu, or its dispositor is weak in the chart, or it is in enemy's house, then your Mars is considered weak. So these people have anger management issues. They will show their anger in such cases where it is not required, and they will not show anger in those cases where it is a must to show anger. So meditation is a must for these people to cool down, to calm down. And then anger management. And Unnecessarily getting angry will land you into problems. Always remember, it will land you into serious issues. So please maintain to stay calm. Then you should also maintain your food habits. Don't have rich and spicy food in your life, and drink water in a copper or a bronze vessel only. This will cool you down, it will calm you down, it won't aggravate your energy, because many times what happens is people having with afflicted Mars, they tend to use their energy in any sort of manner. See, energy is good, energy is important for your body, but definitely what happens is these people tend to use their energy very spontaneously and in a very undirectional way. They don't have a direction. So an energy without a direction is of no use. So what this will do, this will channelize you, this will lead you to a certain path, which is very important for a person, for an individual. Secondly, you can pray to Lord Hanuman, and you can keep fast on every Tuesday. Read Hanuman Chalisa or Sundarkand part. It will definitely help you, it will calm you. Then you can use the essence of red sandalwood in any form. Red sandalwood is available, and you can use it in the form of agarbatti, perfume, in sort of oils, etc. So all these things are available. You can use it in your home, on yourself, and especially do it on every Tuesday. You can visit the temple also on every Tuesday, and keeping a fast will help you to rectify the problematic things related to Mars. So if you have a problem with your brothers, be gentle to your brothers, whatever the reason is, but please be gentle to your brothers, to all the male friends you know, to all the defense people, if you know any, then be very gentle to them, speak very nicely, politely to them. It will lessen the bad effects of Mars in your chart. So that was all for people born with afflicted Mars. Thanks for watching the entire video. And if you like the video, please click on the bell button. Please click on the like button, subscribe our channel, and don't miss our future videos. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.